In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number in Gmail. Adding a phone number to your Google account is a simple way to keep your inbox secure and make account recovery easier if you ever get locked out. You'll just need the Gmail app installed and access to text messages on the phone number you want to use. Start by opening the Gmail app on your device. Look to the top right corner and tap your profile picture or your initial. This opens a small menu with options related to your account. From there, choose Manage your Google account. This will take you into your main Google account settings, which is where contact information is stored. It may open inside the app or in a web view, and that's completely normal. In the Google account settings, go to the Personal Info section. Scroll down until you find Contact Info, then tap Phone. This page shows any number already linked to your account. If you don't see a number, that's fine. We're about to add one. If you do see one, and it's outdated, you can edit it instead of adding a new one. Tap Add Recovery Phone to begin. If you already have a number and need to change it, tap the existing entry to edit. On the next screen, you may be asked to confirm it's you by entering your account password or using your device's unlock method. This security check prevents unauthorized changes to your account. After verification, enter the phone number you want to use. Make sure the correct country code is selected and double-check the digits to avoid typos. When you're ready, tap Next. You'll then see an option to Get Code, which sends a text message to the number you entered. Open your text messages, find Google's verification code, return to the prompt, and enter the code to confirm. If the code is correct, you'll see a confirmation that your number has been added or updated. If you don't receive a code right away, wait a moment or two, ensure you have a signal, and confirm that your device can receive SMS messages. You can request a new code if needed. Also, avoid entering a number that's blocked from receiving texts or a temporary number that you might lose access to soon. That's it. Your phone number is now linked to your Google account for recovery and important security alerts. If you change numbers in the future, come back to the same phone section to update it so you're never locked out. Thanks for watching, and keep your account info up to date for the best protection.